Alrighty, this is December 23rd, 2024. The current time is 6 o'clock in the p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm not going to be like overly braggadocious about what I said that the bottom of the market should be today, but I mean, pretty damn close. For tomorrow on Tuesday, it's a little bit different. It hits different. 26, 34, 40 is what I came up with on my math for a potential top, but 26, 22, 60 is the potential low from the math on the day. And it shows some shit right there. Since it isn't nowhere near as much as the move on the actual day today, then tomorrow it probably be a whole lot more than that. It just may very well be. Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so who really knows? Like, the Santa rally will probably be in full swing. At 26, 34, 40 is close to the statistical mean on Anchor VWAP right now, so that's all within reason, of course. At 161.8% level from Thursday's level was correct. But anyway, regardless of all that, it really don't matter. What sucks, though, what sucks is having two different median levels on your charts that do not line up perfectly. This level here at 26, 28, 50 from the math does not line up with the automatically generated of 26, 33, 74 for the statistical mean from the Anchor VWAP. So, currently it shows it as being kind of bullish, but who the hell knows? It will I hate to say it will probably happen. You react to what does happen. That's the best advice I can possibly give. You react to it if you see a high statistical level or low statistical level, and then you play those levels. That's what you do. Again, what happened? I'll review real quickly, or try to recap this real quick anyway. Thursday into Friday, what happened was this level here could have been the top. Whenever you're at a statistical level where it technically has a whole lot more upside potential than downside potential, then it will gravitate somewhere towards the middle. If I had to guess, if that's between the bottom of the average daily range and top of average daily range, I'd say it's a little bit more higher to middle range. I'd say probably right here is probably about a middle way point. Middle way point is on a bell curve. The middle way point is going to be either a drastic reduction or a drastic improvement upon whatever the outcome may possibly be. And tomorrow you have a low probability of going up or down versus the past couple of days of what statistically and mathematically that it could be. Today, what has happened on gold in particular is that you rejected from the 161.8% level and the 2653 level that it should have been topped out at, or median way level from Friday. It rejected from there. You came back down to the statistical lower level, which was a high level, what past resistance can become support. And today, you've seen that play out. So tomorrow, it kind of sucks because you legitimately can go either way. You're in a downward trend on gold right now per the top and bottom of average daily range. They are stair stepping down. It doesn't mean that trend will freaking continue forever. It's all interpretation. And tomorrow, what I show for the math shows it being a very smaller move, which usually means a much broader move. So if it moves down to 26, 22, 60 tomorrow, these are all ifs. If it moves down to there and cracks below, and this makes resistance, then you'll, or at least I will expect a bigger rejection. But if tomorrow or this evening or whatever time it may happen, if 26.34.40 becomes, if it cracks above that and this becomes support, then you can expect a higher move. But the caveat to that is the math shows up as being 26.41.70 as your potential resistance above that. So you don't have a high probability or a high possible movement from the top to the extra top, if that makes any sense at all. Anyway, I digress. This is still a long ass video. You're still in a bullish move right now in the 5 minute. You are choppy in the 1 minute. Your gravitational point, though, is 26.28.50, which, if you look at a bell curve, whenever it gets to the peak, the very peak point, that's where it's going to gravitate towards. And whenever you do the math, typically, which nothing is 100%, 26.28.50 is going to be gravitational. That's where it can either fall off or rocket. That's what happens so much of the time. If this video connects with anyone at all, just leave me a comment. And I hope you're happy, healthy, well. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas Eve and all that good jazz, and you're happy, healthy, and well. Goodbye.